In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your email signature on Outlook. This process is straightforward and a great way to personalize your emails with your brand or company logo. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we'll need to go to Microsoft Outlook, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. You can do this by simply typing Microsoft Outlook into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or by entering the direct URL if you have it. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice a sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in with your email and password. Enter your credentials to access your Outlook account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Mail option. Click on this to proceed to your inbox. In your Mail view, look out for the gear icon, which is commonly used to denote settings. This can be found towards the upper right section of your screen. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on this to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, search for the Signatures option and select it. You should now be in the email signature editor. This is where the magic happens. Look for a small image icon somewhere below your current signature, indicating the option to add or edit images. When you click on this icon, it will open up a dialog for you to select an image from your local files. Navigate through your files and choose the logo you wish to add. Once you've selected your image, it should appear in your signature editor. Make sure it fits well within the design of your signature. You might need to adjust the size or formatting to ensure it aligns properly with your text. After you've made all necessary adjustments, don't forget the final and most crucial step. Click on Save. This will commit your changes, ensuring that your new logo appears every time you send an email. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your email signature in Outlook. This small touch can help make your emails look more professional and customized, leaving a solid impression on your recipients. If you ever need to make changes or update your logo, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.